myself ready for the day. Haley has had her breakfast. I gave her a nice shower, gave myself a shower. Now I'm gonna do my skincare and my makeup. I'm gonna do something very minimal today because I am just gonna be editing, emailing, and basically working on some templates on the computer. So whenever I have those type of days, I like to do very minimal makeup because sometimes in between I have a Zoom here and there. So I like to look a little bit put together. So no one gets scared when I jump on the computer looking like this. So I have this little bag right here. It has some skincare products and some of my staple makeup products that I like to use on an everyday basis. So I haven't done my skincare yet. So we're gonna jump in and do our skincare first. Between mom life and working from home, I'm pretty much busy the entire day. And specifically these days, I have just been so busy, especially with baby number 2 coming and just adjusting to mom life. I feel like it's still relatively new to me since Haley is only 19 months, which is crazy. I feel like it's gone by really fast. A lot has happened this past year in my life. We're actually currently working to buying a new home. So we're house hunting and it's been so difficult to find the right home. I feel like so much goes into looking for a home, looking for something that you know is gonna be long-term. I'm gonna do my skincare while I talk to you guys. I am gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. I have talked about this product for so long. It has been a staple in my makeup routine for years, and I continue to use it and always recommend it to anyone who's always asking for a good serum that you can use in the daytime and the nighttime. And I'm so excited to feature it in today's video because they now have an updated formula. The original formula was great and I loved it, but now it has even more great benefits for your skin. So it has 72-hour hydration with hyaluronic acid, which is amazing. It keeps your pores looking minimized. So if you want to use this in the daytime, right before you do your makeup, it's the perfect time. I also like to go in and use it right after I shower and I'm prepping my skin to go to bed. One of the main reasons I always recommend to use this at night as well, it's because it's going to work overnight to make your skin look radiant and plumped. So I like to just go in and apply this directly on my skin right before I go in with my eye cream and my moisturizer. And I like to apply a generous amount to my entire face and then also bring it down to my neck. I'm telling you, this is one of those products that it doesn't matter if you're 20, if you're 30, if you're 45, you should include in your skincare routine. It is never too late to start taking care of your skin, and I always highly recommend you take care of your skin before you go ahead and buy like crazy expensive makeup, because it always starts beneath, and that's one thing that I'm always preaching about. And that's why I'm so picky when it comes to skincare products that I'm using in my everyday routine. So I'm gonna link it in the description box below if you guys wanna check it out, read a little bit more about it. If you've never used this product, it feels really lightweight, so it goes great under any makeup products that you're about to put on. So now that my serum is on and it's set on the skin, I'm gonna go in with my eye cream. I'm gonna use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Supercharged Complex. And I like to just go in with my ring finger and apply this directly under my eyes. This moisturizer I'm still testing out and I'll keep you guys posted, but let me tell you, it smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this directly on my face. Skin is looking nice and radiant and glowy in all the right places. I'm gonna go in and just apply this base. All of the makeup products that I'm using, I'll go ahead and link in the description box below for you guys. But talking about the house, I am so excited because I feel like this is a year that we're gonna find our forever home. We've been looking for about a year and a half now and we haven't had any luck. But for some reason, I just have a feeling about this house hunting process. I feel like I've gone through so many life-changing events this past year, especially this past year with the pandemic happen and just, all of our lives is changing so much. You know what, while I'm going through all these life-changing events, I always have to remind myself to take care of my mental health, to take care of my skin, to make sure that I nurture myself as well, because it's so important for you not to let yourself go and keep going and keep moving forward. My base looks good, so I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of concealer to my under eye, and then I'll also add it to any spots that I need correcting. So if you guys have any tips, because I know a lot of you guys are probably homeowners, let me know in the comments below on some things that we should be on the lookout for, or just tips and things you wish you knew before you started shopping for a home, because it's so overwhelming, like just looking for a home in general and going through that process. But for the most part, I feel like I'm set on like, the type of home I want and the location, which are just two things that I'm not willing to give up. So let's go in and do these brows. I'm gonna do the brows off camera because, you know, you guys have seen me do my brows a million times. So I'm gonna go in and fill them in and I will be right back. I'm just adding a little bit of mascara to my lashes, make them look nice and full and long. Let's add a little bit of bronzer because my skin looks a little pale right now. So I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit of color and definition to my skin. Nothing too crazy. I don't really want like heavy contouring. Last thing I'm gonna do for my simple look today is add a lip oil, and we are pretty much done. So I have a Zoom in about an hour. So I think for the time being, I'm gonna edit, send some emails before I get to work because I'm gonna be on the computer for a bit. Let's go see what Haley and Jose and Mackie Boy are getting into, because I feel like when I'm gone for a little bit, they're like all over the place.